The moment you're running late and decide to speedwalk like a responsible adult, that's exactly when your shoe chooses violence, announcing every step with that loud, embarrassing sound that echoes like you stepped on a wet sponge. You try to walk slower, the noise gets louder. You try to walk faster, now it sounds like you're auditioning to be a one-man marching band. People start turning around to see who brought the sound effects. You even try dragging your feet a little, but now you look like you're practicing villain entrances in public. At some point you start pretending to check your phone so people think you meant to stop, secretly praying your shoe will behave. Meanwhile your brain is screaming, just keep going, act normal, nobody knows it's you. But the noise follows you everywhere like a personal soundtrack. And if you've ever been betrayed by your own footwear like this, you already know this pain. While you're here, if this story sounds like your daily life, hit subscribe so we can suffer and laugh together every day.